guys. So those
Other
people.
side. Show me your palm. Show me this.
Okay.
Nope.
Hey, look. Now I got another
Turn your hand over.
tattoo. Now I got another tattoo.
Whoa.
Everybody.
Hi guys. Hi. So I'm sorry, I was busy for a second. So I'll tell you why we've not been on missions. We're too young for that, so I don't know.
Where'd you get all this tattoos?
Get to the missions. So how?
Did you have
So
a
those
contest?
killers from those
It wasn't right
last two videos,
Who'd
they
you play with?
were good, but they weren't made it. So
This actually looks so cool. Let's put it on to Western. Okay, now I got more.
yeah, this guy, he is not fixed. This guy is not made a really good movie, so we need to fix that. So
You'll be careful about making a mess.
Ma'am, I assure you, we don't make messes, we fix them.
That's Francis. He likes you. Mamma mia, baby.
I love you.
love you. Okay, so we've been not doing animations for a while, so this is just gonna be.
Thank you so much.
So I guess today I'm gonna be sick. Today I have a bit of a bad cough, so I'm holding it because I don't want to spoil this. Spoiler alert! There's not gonna be no reveals. Those two videos, that was just for fun. Okay. But I'm gonna be sick for today. Well, bye, guys.